Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to access advanced servers on Mobile Legends. The advanced servers allow selected players to test upcoming features before they're released on the original server. Here's how to check eligibility to access it. Firstly, to qualify for the advanced server, your account should be connected to Facebook, Google Play or VK. You must have a stable internet connection and a good device specs and be an active player on the original server. Open Mobile Legends and tap your profile icon on the top left. Tap Account Settings and link your account to Facebook, Google Play or VK for better eligibility. Now in Account Settings, scroll down to find Switch Server. If you are selected, you'll see the Advanced Server option. Tap it, then download the required resources. Just know that the download may take some time. Make sure you have storage space and a stable internet connection. If you're selected, the Switch Server button will appear. Not everyone will see the option. Moonton selects eligible players only. And that's it guys. Enjoy testing the advanced server features. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.